Are you considering a cost segregation study? Wondering what to expect? Let's walk through the process. Step 1. The proposal stage. We start by gathering information about your property to understand your needs and working together to create a customized plan to maximize tax savings. Step 2. The site visit. An engineer will visit your property and walk through the area. They'll take detailed notes and various photos to quantify the various assets within the property. From top, acoustic ceiling tile, gypsum wallboard, to bottom, carpet, laminate flooring, ceramic tiles, no aspect of your property is overlooked. This attention to detail fully leverages your assets, giving the engineer the necessary details. Step 3. The report. With those details, the analysis begins. The engineer will assign costs to each asset and segregate eligible assets into shorter-lived depreciation categories. The results will be evaluated by various different reviewers to confirm tax and technical accuracy. You'll receive a 60-plus page report containing spreadsheets, photos, and graphical analysis. Step 4. The support. Finally, we're here to help, even after the project is completed. If the legislation changes and you're entitled to increased benefits, we'll revisit your report. In the unlikely event of an audit, we'll provide no-cost defense. EisnerAmper's well-defined process results in a tailored approach to tax savings. If you have any questions, we'll provide the answers.